Okay, so let's look at gold on this. Something happened here. Now, if you want to draw your trend line, you have to be able mindful of what major swing points. I'm not just talking about any swing point. I'm talking about the major swing points. Now, let's draw the trend line. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be adjusting this. Now, this is what you do. When you draw the first trend line, and you see that the thing does not go well with what you want or what the market is doing, it means the market did not respect this trend line. So what you do is you remove your trend line, try to find the one that works. Now let's identify this one. Now as you can see, this was the one that was respected. Why am I saying it was respected? Let me show you why. See this zone here. See this zone here. This was when the market came back to that trend line, meaning the market started the major swing point here, came here, here, and here. Now, as you can see, I said the minimum of two major swing points must be respected for you to be able to say that, hey, truly this trend line really works. Now, as you can see, we have the first one, one, two, three, this is another one, four, top to even five, five. Then the market broke below it. Now, after giving us a double top, after giving us a what? A double top here. After giving us a double top here, the market broke below it. Now I said something earlier on that I'm going to be showing you how to get possible entries in the previous video. Now take note. After the second major point, this guys enter here. It is called an aggressive entry. I called it an aggressive entry. It is called an aggressive entry after the first leg, left leg has been formed, the other right one that is being formed, if you enter there, it is called an aggressive entry, and you put your stop loss what, let's say you enter here and you put your stop loss what, a little bit above it, a little bit above it. Now if you're patient enough, you wait for the market to break below this. Now whenever the market break below this, what is it called, this last order block that took price to the upside, this called, whenever it breaks below, it's called a break of structure. Like I wrote down here, a break of structure. The market will what, after a break of structure, the market will actually retrace back. Now why is it retracing back? Let me clean this. Why is it retracing back? Why is it retracing back? I'll tell you. It's because it wants to collect more orders. More orders. It wants to collect more orders from actually traders that missed the first aggressive entry. Now, I need you to take note of this. If you're a forex trader and you're a beginner, you have to identify which of these entries that are working for you. Is it the aggressive entry or is it the pullback entry that is working for what you have to be able to identify it. Now the last one is called a breakout strategy. Now for the sake of this actual chart I'm showing you, there is no breakout strategy, because if there is, now currently the market, this is the way the breakout is supposed to be. Yeah, right. But as you can see, the market came back. Now we are expecting this market to do something else, come back to this zone here, this other block here, possibly then come back to this retracement, this breakout, something like this, and go down back to the downside. If that happens, the next entry you should be looking for is this breakout entry here. I will look for another chart that has that breakout strategy so I can explain what possibly what's better for us to what, get a clear picture of it. So this is it for the what, the double top. Now let's look for another market that respected zone. So I hope this one is actually clear. If you don't have a question and you want us to talk about it, please bring the question here. Drop the question on the what comment section there, so I will give attention to it immediately I will see it. Don't come to my DM and ask me directly because you understand it, because you have access to my DM. I will appreciate it if you ask a question here on YouTube, so that the community actually can actually benefit from it also. Okay, so let's look for the chart that has uh okay, I think it's euro odd. I actually was on that chart. Yeah, actually, well, I love euro odd. It has been cool for a while now. It has been cool for a while. I'm saying for a vibe because it gives me what I want. But sometimes the markets will make you feel as if what you're doing is you're not sure of it, but I need you to do something. Like I said, forex is a mind game. It's a mind game, so you have to understand that the market will make you feel as if you don't know what you're doing sometimes, but you just have to stick on to your strategy till it gives you what you want. Come on now, euro odd. I think I talked. Yeah, this is it. Give me something else. Okay, this is it. This is it. Okay, I think this is it. Now, I was talking about how to draw your trend line. Look closely here. Look closely here. Let's see something here. Let's see something here. This is the trend. This is the market change indicator here. So if you want to draw a trend line, what you want to do is to identify these zones. One, two. So I'm going to be leaving it. What you do for me is identify it. If it doesn't work for you, leave a comment for us. This is where you get your possible what entry. Now this is what it called a pullback entry, and the one here where you enter before the move or before the break of structure here, it's actually called an aggressive. This is an aggressive entry. This is a pullback entry, and there's the neckline here. Is in the future. It wouldn't happen now. Let's see if the market gave it to us. Let's go back and see. Okay, I think it's here. This is nice. I love this. This is it. This is it here. So that's all for this video. Just keep checking us in the future. I'll be dropping other charts that comes up, okay, in the future. There are other chart patterns also. So thanks.